Create layers with video source input. Click Programming to enter the layer editing interface. The left side shows all input signals, 8 2K input signals and 1 4K input signal, which can also be switched to the thumbnail mode. This video will demonstrate the editing of 3 presets. 1. Put 8 2K input signals on the screen in 2 rows and 4 columns. Make the LED screen display pixel by pixel. 2. Stretch a 4K input signal to the entire screen. 3. Put 2 2K input signals on the left and right and 1 4K by 2K input signal in the middle. Preset 1. Select the first 2K input source and drag it to the right screen area to complete the layer addition, and then enter the position coordinates. Width and height of the layer in the layer editing area below to complete the editing of the current layer. Follow the same method to add and edit the remaining 7 layers. After editing all the layers, click the Save Preset button. Enter the preset name and click OK to complete the saving of the current preset. You can see a thumbnail of the entire screen in the upper right corner of the editing area. Preset 2. Click the Clear button to clear all the current layers. Select the 4K input source and drag it to the right screen area. Then click the Maximize button in the upper right corner of the layer to quickly zoom the layer to the entire screen. Click Save as Preset 2. Preset 3. Click the Clear button to clear all the current layers. Add 1 4K input source and 4 2K input sources to the right screen area and edit the position and size of each layer. And then save it as preset 3.